learn every day, grow every way. Nature. Tree. Tree. The tree has green leaves. Flower. Flower. I like to smell the flower. Leaf. Leaf. The leaves' color changed with the seasons. Rock. Rock. He found a smooth rock by the river. Grass. Grass. She likes the white flowers in the grass. Bush. Bush. Pink flowers grow in the bushes. Sand. Sand. Children play with sand at the beach. Seashell. Seashell. We found a beautiful seashell. Wave. Wave. The wave crashed on the shore. Cloud. Cloud. The cloud is white. Star. Star. My favorite star is very bright. Sun. Sun. The sun rises in the east. Moon. Moon. We can see the moon clearly tonight. Rain. Rain. I like to watch the rain from my window. Snow. Snow. The snow is very cold. Tree. Flower. Leaf. Rock. Grass. Bush. Sand. Seashell. Wave. Cloud. Star. Sun. Moon. Rain. Snow. You nailed it! Ready for more?